So this is exactly the changed mindset, and it's a good. So people are not looking for caste. People are not looking for any other small things which they used to earlier attempt. And I was really that Lok Sabha election is different, Vidhan Sabha assembly elections are different. Because here Modi was the leader. He was to become the Prime Minister. In state he is not to become Chief Minister. Still people vote with the concept that he will ensure that he will give us Chief Minister like what the country has got. And therefore these are really important elections. That's first. My second observation for 4 months of our government is that it has started clicking. It has not done wonders on foreign soils, but it is doing wonder here also. And the theme is very clear. It's public participation, public participation. Campaigns which will ultimately change the mindset which is required for transforming India. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, I think, is not only about changing habits or changing infrastructure or changing our waste disposal systems or making our water, air cleaner. It's about changing the way we think, changing the way we live, and through public participation. Because people were, after independence, actually the story is this: after independence, all rural villages were asking for only trained teachers that government should give. They were ready to build their own schools. They were ready to provide him also the accommodation. The society was ready to do on its own. Unfortunately, we adopted a model that everything will be taken care of by the government and you have to do nothing. You have just to vote us. I think the Prime Minister is changing the psychology of the country through his innovative campaigns, where he wants public to be participating, and therefore he said, you must have listened to him on Swachh Bharat. He said, if you find garbage somewhere, please click and upload. And you clean, picture it and also upload. That this was the garbage, we removed it. These are the two pictures. He is making people deliberately conscious effort that they will not only participate, they will become active agents of change, which India needs. Second, on economic front, we have showcased that we are managing better. Not only we showcased our vision through budget, but in last 4 months, petrol prices have been dropped by 8 rupees, not a small thing. And diesel prices have stopped rising, and we will be, as if I believe your reports, they will be there for slash by major 2-3 rupees. This shows government wants to pass on all the benefits accrued to the nation to the consumers.
Some tea will do.
So this is second thing. Third thing, all departments have started taking decisions. I don't like the word they use for me that he has cleared files. I have taken decisions. And I have taken decisions based on policies. Just to mention 3-4 important initiatives we have taken, and then I will conclude my opening remarks and I will be answering your questions. What we decided? First we decided that as a policy, country must be safe, then only environment will be safe.
I'm sorry, there is some disturbance in the system, but can you try with this? No, just off it, just off it. This. He told me to do this one.
Hello? नहीं. यही है.
There is some disturbance with the music.
Oh, ठीक है.
People now.
ये ठीक है.
Sorry, just little bit.
हाँ. So, we decided to grant sanction of general approval to the border roads, connecting roads, widening of the roads, 6,000 kilometers of them.
क्या क्या बोल रहे हैं?
And also strategic military infrastructure within the 100 kilometers from the line of action control.
सरकार कुछ नहीं कर सकती.
When we give general approval, that doesn't mean that they have not to consider anything about environment. No, all the environmental conditions and guidelines will apply. But the files won't come to New Delhi. It will be locally decided. So delays are avoided. Permissions are granted en bloc and on principle basis. I'll just give one small example. There were nearly 35 proposals which were pending for sanction in ministry for Coast Guard posts, Coast Guard police chowkis, Coast Guard chowkis. Why they were withheld? Because in CRZ regulation, in the exceptional list, there was no mention of Coast Guard chowkis. Coast Guard chowkis become important only after 2008 attack. The rules are made earlier. I said Coast Guard chowki has to be on coast. It can't be in the jungle. And therefore all 35 we sanctioned. So we are taking decisions. Then we decided on transparency. So we have started online submission of application for environment and forest clearance. Online submission. And more than 200 applications are being processed today through such open platform. And there is a special ID given to each customer through which he can check where his file is lying. It's an accountable governance. Third, all the linear projects, transmission lines, railways, roads, irrigation canal, and all kinds of pipelines. I stress the word all kinds because our bureaucracy, if we say pipeline, they will put only gas pipeline, pipeline carrying water, but they will forget to mention pipeline carrying drainage, or there will be new requirement of pipes. You are passing through all communication cables through it. Anything. Pipeline, we said it any pipe. All these are also given a general approval. So this is, we are making a difference from business as usual. And last means last in this session, we have taken many initiatives, but I am just mentioning 3 or 4. So online is transparency, this is making real governance happening, and the third is decentralization. Every day there used to come files of forest diversions. 5 hectares, 7 hectares, 10 hectares. I said, why so many files and why 5 hectares should come to Delhi? Then I studied how many files of 10, 20 hectares, 30 hectares, 40 hectares. And I realized that 90% of such proposals were below 40 hectares.